Welcome to the top best. The Best IQ Robot Vacuum is probably one of the most innovative cleaning solutions to hit the market in recent years. These automated marvels navigate your home with impressive precision, sucking up dirt and debris from various floor types. With smart features like app control, scheduling, and self-emptying bins, they offer unparalleled convenience, making the chore of vacuuming a thing of the past. Let's dive into the world of robotic vacuums and see if this one is right for you. Number 5. Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL. Introducing the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL. This robot vacuum features a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. You don't need to worry about buying disposal bags. It has deep cleaning power to tackle large and small debris, as well as pet hair, on both carpets and floors. This device ensures a thorough clean. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors. It pulls up debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces. It's engineered to pick up more hair and is anti-hair wrap. You can schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms using the Shark Clean app. It also works with voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making it easy to control. This robot maps your home, allowing you to choose which rooms to clean right now. It offers a convenient way to customize your cleaning routine. It methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. This ensures no spot is missed. The Shark IQ Robot Vacuum will return to the dock to recharge. Then, it can pick up where it left off, ensuring your entire home is cleaned. What we like? This robot vacuum features a self-emptying base, so you can forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days. It also maps your home for efficient cleaning. If you have a busy lifestyle and hate emptying the dustbin, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Shark IQ Robot Vacuum is a great product. It does a great job of vacuuming the floors. The self-emptying feature is a game changer. Number 4. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum with XL Self-Empty Base. This robot vacuum comes with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. You don't have to worry about emptying the dustbin frequently. It's a convenient and time-saving feature. The vacuum has a faster mapping speed, allowing it to map your home quicker than previous models. This means it can start cleaning your home sooner. It efficiently navigates your space. This model offers improved carpet cleaning performance. It effectively removes dirt and debris from your carpets. The powerful suction ensures a thorough clean. The multi-surface brush roll is designed to clean all types of floors. It can pull in dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. This makes it versatile for different areas of your home. You can easily schedule cleaning sessions or target specific areas using the Shark Clean app. It also works with voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This gives you flexible control over the cleaning process. The vacuum has strong suction to handle various types of debris. It can pick up large and small particles, as well as pet hair, from both carpets and floors. This ensures a deep clean. The robot vacuum cleans methodically, moving row by row for complete coverage. It navigates from room to room efficiently. This ensures that it cleans your entire home. What we like? This model offers faster mapping and improved carpet cleaning performance. It also has a self-emptying base, which is a great convenience. If you are looking for a robot vacuum that can quickly and efficiently clean your carpets, you should consider this one. What people say. It does a quality job when set to max suction. It works equally well on hard floors and deep shag carpet. Dobby can find his dock and will back up with precision to dump his load off before resuming cleaning and when he needs to charge. Another impressive mention is that this robot can navigate through the bottom of the bar chairs and around the kitchen chairs with ease. Dobby will avoid objects without touching them, including the dog, so I'm not worried about him knocking into things. Number 3. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum AV970, Self-Cleaning, Alexa. This robot vacuum has deep cleaning power. It can take on large and small debris, as well as pet hair on carpets and floors. It is perfect for your home. The self-cleaning brush roll is a great feature. It removes pet hair and long hair while it cleans. You don't have to worry about hair wrap anymore. You can schedule whole home cleanings with the Shark Clean app. Also, you can use voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It is very convenient. This robot vacuum cleans methodically, row by row. Then, it navigates room to room for complete home coverage. It ensures a thorough cleaning. The Shark IQ robot vacuum will return to the dock to recharge. Then, it can pick up where it left off. It is very efficient. It's designed for homes with pets. This automatic vacuum features an XL-capacity dustbin and a self-cleaning brush roll. It captures dust, dander, and pet allergens. Dual spinning side brushes pull and debris from corners and edges. It ensures that it cleans every part of your home. It is a great helper for your life. What we like. The self-cleaning brush roll is a standout feature, removing pet hair without tangling. It's designed for homes with pets, featuring an XL dustbin. If you like a robot vacuum that handles pet hair effectively, this is a great option. What people say. It is very easy to use, clean and program. The self-cleaning brush roll is great if you have pet hair or your own long hair. The Shark does a good job on carpet and doesn't get stuck on anything. Goes over an area rug with no issue. Number 2. Shark AV993 IQ Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum has deep cleaning power. It can take on large and small debris, as well as pet hair, on both carpets and floors. The self-cleaning brush roll is a great feature. It removes pet hair and long hair while it cleans, so you don't have to worry about hair getting tangled. You can easily schedule whole home cleanings. Use the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to get it started. This robot vacuum cleans methodically. It goes row by row and then navigates room to room, ensuring complete home coverage. It's designed for convenience. The Shark IQ robot vacuum will return to its dock, recharge, and then pick up where it left off. If you have pets, this is a great choice. It features an XL-capacity dustbin, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a high-efficiency filter to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens. It gets into those hard-to-reach places. Dual spinning side brushes pull and debris from corners and edges. What we like. This robot vacuum is designed with dual spinning side brushes to clean edges and corners. It also features a self-cleaning brush roll and is perfect for pet owners. If you are looking for a robot vacuum that can thoroughly clean your floors, including edges and corners, you should consider this one. What people say. It is about as quiet as you would expect a robot vacuum to be. I run it while working and not while watching TV. It seems to be relatively purposeful in cleaning the room once it has it mapped. It might take a while and the path might appear to be repetitive, but eventually, it does seem to get it all, so I really enjoy that. The suction seems great. The Shark picks up dirt and dog hair satisfactorily. It tracks well and doesn't miss any spots. It moves seamlessly between floor and rugs. It maps the area each time, then it runs up and down in segments, very methodically, and finds its dock every time when it's done. It's very persistent and quite gentle going around furniture and obstacles, but I do pick up floor vases and so on just in case. Number 1. Shark AI Robot Vacuum RV 2001, Smart Cleaning. This robot vacuum offers incredible suction, effortlessly picking up dirt and debris. In ultra clean mode, it provides 30% better carpet cleaning. It ensures your floors are spotless. You can easily target specific areas or high traffic zones with the Shark Clean app. This allows for multi-directional deep cleaning coverage. It's perfect for those tough spots. This vacuum is designed for homes with pets, featuring powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll. It effectively removes pet hair as it cleans. It keeps your home clean and fur-free. Using LiDAR technology, it quickly and accurately maps your home. You can easily set up cleaning areas and no-go zones in the app. This ensures efficient and customized cleaning. AI laser navigation ensures complete home coverage with precise row-by-row cleaning. It can detect and avoid objects 4 inches high or taller, even in the dark. It navigates your home with ease. You can set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate ultra clean mode with your voice. It works with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It offers ultimate convenience. The PowerFins brush roll digs deep into carpets and directly engages floors for incredible cleaning. This ensures a thorough clean every time. It leaves your floors looking their best. What we like. This robot vacuum uses AI laser navigation to map your home and avoid objects. It also has an ultra-clean mode for deeper cleaning. If you like advanced technology and want a robot vacuum that can navigate your home intelligently, this is a great choice. What people say. It has LiDAR mapping technology and because it vacuums in a back-and-forth pattern instead of random directions until it bangs into an obstacle. It is gentle about obstacles and doesn't aggressively bash into things. This vacuum gets very close without touching, or gently taps and then avoids. When it goes around an obstacle, it resumes the original cleaning path instead of going off in a random direction. It has no issues going over flooring transitions in doorways, from hardwood onto a rug, or from a rug back onto hardwood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.